Hey, let me show you a quick unboxing of the OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite 5G. Let's check what we can find in the box, and by the way, some quick overview of the box. As you can see on the reverse, we can find information about the RAM and the ROM storage, or the color. The chipset is Snapdragon 6095, this like 3 years old chipset, and we got two IMEI numbers, which means that we can input two SIM cards here. So now let's remove these seals. Whoopsie, like this. There we go. And now we can go inside and let's see what we can find here. So right here we can probably find some accessories. There we go. There's this signature cable from the OnePlus, USB-C to the USB-A. Right here we can find SIM tool, some kind of the membership card, like this. Okay. Right here we can find some stickers, I believe. No, there's something like, "Dear friend, consider this fine craft piece of laboratory rubbish. Your proof of ownership for a brand sparking new 4th generation." Never mind. There's a quick guide, safety guide, and that's all from here. There's nothing more inside. Right here we can find the phone. So we get no charger, no silicone case, no earphones. Okay, but the color looks really nice. I'm not sure. Yeah, it doesn't look like this on the camera, but that's like a really intense blue color. Yeah, on the camera it looks like just a normal phone, but in the real life, damn. I have never seen the blue color like this on the smartphone. It looks beautiful. It looks impressive, I can say. Okay, so we got simple design, two cameras, two LED flashlight, 50 megapixel camera. There's the buttons on the right side, the speaker at the bottom, headphone jack, that's pretty nice, USB-C port, and the microphone. On the left side we can find SIM slot. Right here we can find probably another speaker, or not, it's too small for the speaker, it's like microphone probably. On the screen you can also find factory installed protection. As you can see there, we get the foil. And now when you turn on the device, probably with the power button, I believe. Yeah, there we go. We got OnePlus logo, Android logo. And yeah, that's it. The quick unboxing for you guys. This is actually how it looks. By the way, this one comes from the European distribution. So this is the only accessory that you can find here is like the cable. And that's all. So right now, please subscribe to my channel.